in string, and now let's say something like self point pos equals, you can here add another argument pos, and say something like, okay, 1 second, 2 second, check. Should be ready and should be working. I'm referring to the stream. And yeah, hello and welcome to another stream. Yeah, of course, like always, I will start a little poll. And yes. So 1 second, 2 second. What should I cover? NumPy. Matplotlib is an option. Also an option is not this, but yeah. Also an option is 1 second. Like always, Pygame. I will start with it. And other, right in the chat. Hello to the one who joined the stream. How are you? Hopefully good. And yeah, just started a little poll. Vote for yourself. And yeah. Hello Zazie, how are you? How are you? Do we want to deliver another cool joke? And hello to the next one who joined. Yeah. Kinda getting quick. Yeah, Matplotlib. So already I will skip then. Pygame will start with Matplotlib. Maybe we will return to Pygame later. And let's start with Matplotlib. And we can continue here. Let me just, yeah, this is just a plot bar getting, yeah, paler or lower each time using this little sweet code. Okay, so this is the code actually, and now let me see. How can you see it? You can't see it. I will add it here. This one, no. Okay, maybe I should do it when it is closed like this. So, basic stuff. Oh, I got an idea. Maybe I should do something like plt.show. Now I should be able to show you. Why isn't he able to show you? We don't need a double. New window. Here, finally. Okay, here we go. So what I wanted to show is this stuff. Yeah, kind of. This is called, by the way, CMap. I'm using Matplotlib to, yeah, just plotting data and visualizing it, but I'm more of doing some tutorials now, which is kind of what I'm actually doing is, yeah, most of it are simple tutorials. But yeah, I'm open to everything. If you want me to cover something, please tell me, and I will give my best. Yeah. And now we are kind of I discovered color mapping like this, where, yeah, we animate something and the color changes itself depending on what the input is. Keitler? No. Oh, maybe you're referring, I guess your joke, oh, sorry for the background, this was my girlfriend. Yeah, no. Not really. And yeah, so what could I cover? That's the cover of a... let me think. Yeah, I could, but I need to, first of all, here we go. Yeah, I'm sorry, we can't do these jokes, just don't wanna get banned. Kind of sorry for that, but yeah. Please don't take it personal. Hello, Whiskey, how are you? And yeah. There we go again. And yeah, how are you feeling? I will do some Matplotlib today, but we will maybe return to Pygame later. And yes. So I want to, yeah, what I want to do now is we want to plot a bar, but the bar should be, yeah, kind of changing its color. And for that, let me first do something really simple, like plt point bar. Plt point bar 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 like this. But we can also do something like 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3 and color equals red, green, blue. And now we got a bar, which is pretty obvious. We get only one bar. I'm kind of wondering myself why he is he overwriting them, because they should have, we should get 3 different colors. I had 3. Or is he kind of overwriting it? Now I feel okay. What about you? You changed your project? No, I will continue writing Pygame, but I made a little poll, and yeah, the poll won Matplotlib, so I'm showing Matplotlib at the moment. And yeah, regarding any questions, write them just in the chat. But yeah, after that, I will do a little shorter stream, maybe 2 hours only. And yeah, everything you want me to show you, I will show you, obviously. And yes, sorry for the background noises. Okay. So, what I'm kind of wondering, got one plot. So 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 to 1. Yeah, okay. This was the problem. Is this, by the way, the flag of any country? Because it looks a little bit like that. Yeah. And now we want to do a little color map. So let's do something like I for I1 for 1 in range 100. Height is 100. Let's say 100 minus I for I in range 100. And color map equals, yeah, let's say 0, 0, 0 plus I for I in range 100. Oh, for I, of course. Yeah, we have to do another variable. And oh yes, because he wants to see them in 0 plus I divided by 100. Because he's only using tuples. Yeah, here we go, finally. Now what we got is, yeah. Oh no, not any real flags, I guess. So here we have a little color map, like that. So the color is changing from blue to black. You can also try another color map, like, what can we also do? Can do I divided by 50 plus 1. And yes, now, or let's say hardly divided by 100 in range 200. So we are plotting two different ones. It is 200 minus 1 for I in range 200. Now to the more challenging part. But yeah, not so challenging, plus something like this. Yes, here we go. Now we have two different color maps, but I really don't like that. So yes, here we go. Now we have two different color maps, but I really don't let me see. Why isn't he to 100? Oh, I guess I'm getting it. I hopefully getting it. So how could we? 100 minus E. Percent 100. And this should be in brackets. Now, let me see. Yeah, here we go. Now we got two different plots with different color maps, which kind of looks, yeah, awesome would be an overstatement, but let's do something like 0. And let's, yeah, change this to I multiplied with 100. Now we got it in yellow. This looks cooler. We still should be able, what is if we say something like PLT point bar 1, 2, 3, 3, or x equals 3, 3, 100, 100, or 150, and color equals red and green. Red, green. Now we should get another one. Yes, so you could simply do something like this. And yeah, we still have color maps, different color maps like this. And thank you for the new subscriber. Thanks for subbing, or subby wobby for the subby wobby. Yeah. Thank you for the new subscriber. I don't have that kind of, not that good in joking. I'm sorry. Okay. Next part. Let's do kind of mixed stuff like any combination. So we still can, yeah, let's switch back to the first one. I for I in range 100. And now let's say for, how many combinations do we have? We have like, yeah, there should be 8 for I. For I in range. Yeah, there should be 8 for I. Oh, for double I in range 8. And yeah, let's do it with hard coding. Now first, let's do it with hard coding. Why does it look different? I don't know. Okay, let's first do 5 plots, 6, 7, 8. Doesn't even do raise the exception. I'm curious why, or what is the problem. Oh, he's doing it perfect, but not the way I intended. So I maybe even know why. Let me just close the other tabs so I can close other tabs. I'm sorry. I'm totally sorry. Let me just get it to 8. Okay. How could I fix that? One. Why am I so dumb? 1 for H, 2 for 2. Or let's say I. Don't even need to do it like this. 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh no, sorry. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's run it again. Yeah, here we go. So they are still the same color because we didn't change anything regarding that, but this should also be doable. Like, then 0, 0, 0 is missing. And this combination is missing. And again we have like, ooh. Yeah, they are the same, so 0, 1, 2, 0. Oh, this should be 0, 0, 0. And here again we have something like this. Something like this without this. And yeah, this combination is also lacking, so okay, let's try it. Yeah, here we go. So now we have our 9 different color maps. The standard color maps. Yeah, here we go. So now we have our 9 different color maps. The standard color maps. Yes. Pretty simple. Again. Yes. And pretty simple. Again. Yeah, pretty easy. What can I show you next? Next. What could be the next stuff I could show you? Like, maybe you could suggest something, but without it I could, maybe I could do a bar. Or I could resume to Pygame. Yeah, let me do Pygame again. Maybe I could do a bar. Or I could resume to Pygame. Yeah, let me do Pygame. Yeah, after 1 second or 2 seconds, we'll be right back, grabbing myself a glass of water. Oh, yeah. Good that you... Okay. Good that... Thank you for telling me. What did... I did get you anything? A protein bar, but I'm not able yet to send it with the stream. But I could... Working... No, I didn't die. You could see the cursor moving, maybe. I didn't die. You mean because water? Yeah, water kills a lot of people. Water is a poison. A lot of people die from water, and you can die from water either. So yeah. And I got myself a protein bar. But this, I didn't really get this by getting the glass of water. It was laying next to me. Tastes okay. Sometimes he codes for me. Or maybe he codes all the time and I'm just doing the talking part. Or maybe I am a coding dog. Anything is possible. So, new table. If self point content equals def def add item xy image and what else? Yeah. Something like this. Okay, do that. And okay, do that. And hello to the next one who joined. We are doing some Pygame. Looking like this at the moment, which is a roguelike game. Yeah, we'll add a few things. Maybe we will learn C++ soon. I could equip the sword like this. But yeah, what we now want to implement are loot tables. Maybe now, maybe later. I guess I will make maybe another break because no one, I guess at the moment no one is watching. So yes. Yeah. As soon as someone is watching, I have that in mind, I will return to coding. But at the moment, or maybe I will do some Matplotlib again. Interesting, what could I do? First of all, first of everything. I'm asking myself why I'm feeling so sleepy. Hello to the one who joined. Yeah, we're doing some Matplotlib and Pygame. Yeah, at the moment we will do, let's do again Matplotlib, because did this beautiful plot. And yeah, maybe we could do something like using an API. Could use the weather API. Open Metro, this should give us an API. Yeah, let's do something with an API, I guess. API matplotlib import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, import requests. Requests or request? I guess it was requests. Let's install requests. And yeah. Sorry, my PC is kind of lagging. I will solve that soon. Maybe this will be a little shorter stream today. Or maybe not, I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so what could I edit something? Okay, so don't get even an impression, so what can I fix now? Hello to the viewer who joined recently. Yeah, we're doing some Matplotlib, but if we want to see something else like Pygame or Numpy, just do a vote at the poll, and yeah. What can we do? We can do some Pygame, or let's do requests. So let's do a little request. I wanna do an API, or we wanna response. We have the weather API. I'm kind of. This was too much of a German accent. I know I have one, but sometimes, yeah. So print request point get should be the URL. One quotation mark too much. Here again, yes. So what will happen? Do we get a JSON file? Oh no, wrong code. Response 200. Point. What was it? Code 200. I guess it was. Everything was fine too. So we need, yes, I'm what? Okay, it comes twice. Is this better? Hello, hello, hello. You mean I'm kind of repeating myself? Sometimes I repeat myself on purpose just because yeah, it's just the way I'm, but so it is better now? Maybe I should do something with, okay, let's see. Test. Test. No, you don't have to be sorry. It's good that you're telling me, actually. Just trying to fix it. But if I hearing the stream, everything sounds normal. Can you try maybe it's, if you're watching something else, maybe that's. Because I already deactivated desktop audio, so everything which will, the entire output of the desktop won't be heard. But still, it could be. Heater now. Because I am for myself, I also made. Oh, it is better now. Perfect. So, okay, maybe I will return, but please, thank you for telling me. Please tell again if it's if I got the issue. It's kind of important that I maybe fix it then. And yeah, so let's head back to the API. Equals and we don't want it in a tuple, and not this mode. So maybe I will add some background music. It was oh, one bracket is still needed. Okay, this should give us weather, the actual weather. Weather is a good test API, by the way. If you want to do anything with APIs, I would recommend just doing a weather API. It can almost do anything you want. And yeah. Okay, so a.json, print a.json. Perfect. Now we have a list. What is this? Temperature 2 meter. What is this? Or can you can't see it, but yeah, this is kind of, I need to stop this. What can we do? Something like, oh, this is like temperature during the day. Point JSON, like where? How was the keyword again? It was, now let's do wind speed. So wind speed. Okay, maybe. So you get a key error. Again, latitude. Come on, where do we find you? Time. Here, hourly. It is all in hourly. So let's do hourly first. And then let's do time to get the time. Perfect. So this is really good for plotting because we get the time. We can plot it like, yeah, like plotting it, obviously. So I guess 1 second, no one is watching. I can check a few things up before we turn into coding. Yeah, we'll do much larger streams on this weekend because my girlfriend has night shift, so I can. Oh, hello to the one who joined. Yeah, we're doing Matplotlib. Now let's declare variable regarding this, like time equals time and wind speed equals. Is the wind speed? Let's print a again. Or I mean, print a point JSON. And yeah, if we get an a point JSON, we have this. Yeah, it's in Python you call it dictionary, but anyways, yeah, let's do temperature 2 meters. And let's say temperature 2 meters as not a string variable equals a point JSON temperature to meters. And now we can simply plot it by, now let's import Matplotlib as plt matplotlib point. Oh, we already did this. Then let's say something like plt point show and plt point plot, plt point bar, time, and temperature. Now, if we run it, APA matplot, key error. Why do we get a key error? Ah, I forgot the hourly. I forgot this one. Now, here we go. Now we get the hourly temperature, but it's not hourly. Why is it that big? Maybe I should zoom in. Or are these multiple dates? So how can I zoom out? Okay, here we go. So again, guess. Okay. 25.2. So let's, what is here? Oh, 26.2. So it's kind of, yeah, isn't this a future? Because if I'm correctly, we don't actually have this date. Okay, this is funny. But yeah, let's head back to our back again. Yeah, so this is a temperature level in Germany. It gets 14 degrees in the, I guess it is during the day, and even to 0 degrees during nighttime, because we are a rather cold country. Yes, and a rather sleepy country. Maybe an overstatement, but anyways, why isn't this page working? Okay, sorry for the kind of strange pronunciation, but I try to get, yeah, how do we call it? Try to get it going, or try to get a little bit more fun into work. So now let's do a color map. PLT point bar. Now we have a color map, color equals 0, 0, and one minus I divided by length of time for I in range length of time. Now, oh, not 0 minus, oh, invalid syntax, maybe I got a bracket wrong. Not really. Minus I for I in range. Typical list stuff, or yeah, stuff you do with lists. So I'm kind of confused why it isn't working at the moment. This is usual list comprehension. Ah, yeah. No. Or do I have to use brackets for that? This is a tuple. Got it wrong. Maybe like this. Here we go. Yeah, now we used color maps. Perfect. You can see it now. It's color maps. You can do it even better while using yellow and I lost my figure. Yellow and stuff like that. But yeah, this are simply color maps. Okay, what can we do next? Hello to the one who joined. How are you? We're doing some Matplotlib, but you can make your vote for Pygame, Numpy, whatever you want, or write it down in the chat so I know it better. And yeah, feel free to ask any questions or make suggestions what I can show you. Or yeah, what do you want to see? And yeah, so we just made a little API giving us the weather in Germany from, I guess, 2 days, during 2 days. Oh no, it's, I guess, an entire week. So you can see here and here. I'm sorry, so sleepy. So what can we do now? Yeah, let's head back to Pygame, I guess. We had loot tables. The loot table had a self content. There's an image and also an item. X size and Y size. Should always be 20, but yeah, item X size and Y size, which means yeah, self point, pretty simple content. Let's import from not Matplotlib, from Pygame point roguelike point main objects point lootables, or not lootable, main object point item import this. And in that case we really need the star one, need our little star in that case. Okay, so hello to the one who joined. We're doing Pygame Matplotlib, to be more specific. Oh no, not Matplotlib, we did already switch to Pygame. I'm kind of sleepy, so I'm maybe telling stupid, confusing stuff because I didn't catch sleep last night. But yeah, if you have to code, you have to code. There's no exception. Like an exception is also part of coding, but not in that case. Okay. You probably know what I'm referring to. And yeah, if we have anything you want me to show you, write it down in the chat or make a poll. Okay. Okay. And I'm thinking how I can implement the things and stuff with Matplotlib. Maybe, not even maybe. Could do something like self point content point append item. Why not item? Item arguments are item. This should totally work. Unexpected argument. Oh, the image is unexpected. Okay. Maybe I need a drop function, like enemy can drop. Let's say something like self point loot equals none. Pretty simple. And okay, maybe we'll do something like self point loot equals 1 or equals an empty list. And def point drop for item in self point loot. No, this is maybe too. Let's do something like item list. Item list plus equals, or item list plus equals self point loot. Okay. And thanks, by the way, there's still someone left watching all the time. And now I'm alone. Okay, so we get something like red enemy. Now dropping. This could be implemented in the main function, like item. Generate item list. Maybe here. Maybe. Yeah, here the items are placed. So how did I do that? Okay, we got 6 votes for Pygame. I guess so. It's obvious that we will do Pygame. Okay. Back to Pygame. Split image, get destination. The enemy. No, enemy. Else. If enemy point loot. Elif, of course, elif, enemy point loot. Collectible items plus equals enemy point loot. And yeah, enemy point loot equals an empty list. Yeah, this should work. Okay. Now. Now, what we need to do, we need to now fill items for the blob enemies. Blob enemies should, yeah, kind of drop 1 potion, so we can see if the feature works in this case. Yeah, pretty simple. And so now let's do something like enemy point loot. Enemy list, if not enemy dead, elif enemy point loot. So standard. Let's first see if an enemy can drop something like class enemy. Let's do it here, basic enemy list. No, not like that. It's kind of complicated if we're tired, but let's do it anyways. Okay. Will get myself something else to eat. And then maybe I will... Yes. Maybe I should get myself something to eat so I can be able to concentrate much more easy. Yeah. Also add some music. Let's add some music. Streaming music. If we find the from yesterday. And yeah, I have to copy this. And hello to the one who joined. How are you? I am doing some, yeah, Matplotlib. Or no, I'm doing some Pygame, but if you wanna see Matplotlib or anything else, just write it down in the chat. And yeah, I am, at the moment, I'm working on this little game here. Oh no, this was a Matplotlib. I mean, this little game here. Here we go. You can't see it, 1 second, let me show you. Here we go, so now you can see. Yeah. And get myself something to eat while testing. Yes, I probably should do that. Okay, then see you in 5 minutes, I guess. Hopefully. Hello to the one who joined. I'm doing some Pygame. I will show you in a few seconds what I'm doing. Yeah, but I need to get myself something to eat and will be there for you in a few seconds. And thanks to the one who lately subscribed. I got a new subscriber. Thank you really much. Oh, really much. Yeah. Okay. So, just please give me a few seconds for that. Okay, I'm back. There's this stuff you call cheese curd in English. It's totally disgusting, but I have to eat it because it is perfect for your proteins. So yeah. But it tastes awful. Now let me see, how can I improve this? Maybe. Now he's kind of lagging. Being actually laggy. But okay. So I wanted to add music. I wanted to add music. 1 second. Added it to the, yeah. Hello to the one who joined. We're doing some Pygame. Oh, there's still written be right back in 5 minutes. I'm already back. So, yes, adding some Pygame. If you want to see anything else, write it down in the chat or you can leave. And yeah. So, loot table. Something like, I'm thinking, how can I realize this? Now kind of tricky, this one. Level generator. Where is enemy list? Yeah. Now maybe import for main objects point item point lootables point standard or import star. Let's do it like this. And hello to the ones who joined, getting few viewers. Pretty cool. Yeah, doing some Pygame. Like, this is the actual game, which is a roguelike. You kind of level and head through the dungeons. If he's showing you, yeah. And that's what I'm working on, my actual project. I just added loot tables, which means loot is added if I venture through the dungeon. And now I will have a standard loot table, which is class trash loot. Def inheritance from loot table. Def in itself. And self point content equals health potion. Just X and Y. Oh no. X and Y. X and Y. It's this. And yes. Now if we can with the generator main basic functions now loot equals, where do we have it? Loot, they call it like this, enemies save point loot. Okay, loot equals an empty list equals none. Basic functions loot equals let's do it here. Loot equals, oh no, the bracket. Loot equals again, is it called trash loot? So why is trash loot equals maybe we don't need objects for that. Maybe. I hope the background music isn't kind of it should serve the point to make it shouldn't do any harm, hopefully. Oh, I should eat something. Okay, I will eat. 1 second. I will just continue eating. Gosh. Still need to eat. Kind of doing everything at the same time. And also gets even more. Okay. So what should I do next? Maybe I should else do something like def generate loot list. Let's do something like this. Def gen loot generate loot list. Yeah, that's why am I doing that. So mode trash 1 if mode equals, let's say, return empty list. If mode equals trash 1, return health potion, enemy point X and enemy point Y. So maybe because when an enemy is generated, he has a really kind of entire different X and Y, so maybe I should do it different. I will do it different. Totally. But how different? Okay, first let's if not enemy loot, let's do the easier, loot equals false. Looted equals looted. So now here we have something like loot. Oh no, I didn't add it, which is good. So what next? Next I should eat a few bites of my cheese curd. As long as it is cold. Yeah, there are also the viewer who join. You're doing this sweet little game here and trying to implement loot, which is harder than accepted. So yeah, feel free to join. But if not, trash is so like this. Looted. Plus equals from lootables and object point lootables import star. No. Looted. Generate a loot list. Blob 1. And yeah, let's call it blob 1. Let's set +2 and +2. Because it should have enemies point, save point looted. So self point looted equals false. Now mode. Okay, main. So generate loot list. Enemy point blob. Okay, now blob created here. Here we have blobs again. Ah, perfect. Okay, don't get that. List index out of range. What could be the issue here? Let's find out. Find out. Maybe while save point items point equals none. Maybe there are more items generated than just one item. Maybe that's the issue. it's, yeah, just a big maybe. Oh, I guess I got it. Enemy point looted equals 2. Now we have, yeah, thing is it spawns too fast. Want to spawn it later, but yeah, that's maybe something we can do tomorrow. Apart from that, wonderful, yeah, guess that's it for today. I'm finished, so I wish you a wonderful dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in your country. See you and bye bye.